Listen, this has to get drilled into you. Not by which is seen by the eyes, but because of which the eyes are able to see and perceive. That which is seen by the eye, understand? That which is seen by the eye, not because of that, but because of which the eyes are able to see. The eyes are able to see, but because of which the eyes are able to see. Yat chakshusha na pashyati ena chakshumshi pashyati tateva brahmatvam viddinetam yatitam upasate. Go on contemplating. I want to repeat. How much ever beautiful, graceful the scene is, the handsome the being is, I tell you, look at the source. You will reach the space and taste and experience much deeper, sweeter, beautiful than what is expressed. Any enjoyment of expression will bring boredom at one point. Only if you look at the source, you will make boredom and tiredness redundant in your life. The source from where these expressions happen, the source from which your eyes perceive. Look at the source. Let your attention be on that source. Let your attention be on that source. Yat chakshusha na pashyati ena chakshumshi pashyati tateva brahmatvam viddi netam yatitam upasate. Yat chakshusha na pashyati ena chakshumshi pashyati tadeva brahmatvam viddi netam yatitam upasate. I am blown away by the authenticity of the Upanishad. What a sacrifice. It says, anybody who can express always try to make people slave through their expression. That's what the actors do. They want people to become their slaves just because of the way they look, the way they carry themselves gracefully, the way they portray themselves. See here, the authenticity of the Upanishads. I know for sure the Upanishadic rishis have looked more handsome than any superstars, because they are real stars. The Sabda Rishis are the real stars. But with all their beauty, grace, handsomeness, they remind you to look at the source which is expressing, not the scene which is perceived. Because the scene which is perceived will bring tiredness and boredom after some time. But if you turn towards the source, that is the most extraordinary, eternal experience of beauty, bliss, joy, consciousness, all the best things. All the best things. Understand. Understand. What is seen? What is seen? What is perceived? If you can see, start putting your attention to the source. Actually, I tell you, even in your day-to-day life, if you start going towards the source, you will have a very stable family, stable relationship. Whenever you run around based on what is seen, you will have such an unstable relationships, because anything will be stunning if it is new for some days, but nothing will be graceful from morning till night once you start living with it, other than an enlightened being. Understand? So in your ordinary life, even there, if you start seeing what is seen, what is it that is behind what is seen, even your life will become stable. Your life will become stable.